Picture this. You're cruising down the road, minding your own business, and bam! Someone who should have been looking at the road smashes into you. Now, you're stuck with a dent, a debate, and no evidence. Who's at fault? Exactly. Without proof, it's your word against theirs, and you might end up footing the bill for someone else's bad day. Presenting the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K. Your silent, unbiased witness. It's there when you can't be, capturing every moment, every detail, every oops, so you're always protected, whether it's on the road or in court. Before we dive in, let's check out what comes in the box. Inside the box, there's a booklet showcasing a variety of Qubo products, including a wide range of dash cams, GPS devices, smart tire inflators, and more. QR codes for quick start installation guide and downloading Cubo Pro mobile app on Android and iOS. A protective film to apply on your windshield designed to minimize glare and reflections. The box also includes a front camera, a rear camera, a car adapter, connection wires for the front and rear cameras, a pry tool to neatly tuck in the wires, and an adhesive tape to securely mount both the cameras. Take the adhesive mount and place it at the center of your windshield. Now take the front camera and attach it to the mount just like this. Take the front camera wire, the shorter one, and connect it to the front camera. Plug the other end of the front camera wire into the USB slot on the car adapter. Now plug that into the car adapter. Similarly, connect the rear camera wire to the front dash cam to power up the rear camera, then mount it on the rear windshield. Insert a compatible SD card into the SD card slot. Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K supports up to 1 TB SD card for those long, memorable trips. The Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K features a powerful 5MP camera that records in stunning QHD plus quality at 2.7K resolution. Perfect for reviewing your footage and saving it as an evidence or cherished memories. Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K comes with a super capacitor and not Li-ion battery powered, and hence delivers a great coverage over a wide temperature range that allows one to drive and record videos even in extreme weather conditions from -20 to 85 degrees Celsius, which we all know we experience in India. So from Leh to the hot desert temperatures, you can take it to all of your road trips without any concern for the performance. You can also use the front camera as a cabin camera to record vlogs during the trips. The front dash cam has a 2-inch LCD screen for displaying videos and live streaming with buttons for better control. The Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K features a wide 140-degree field of view, ensuring you capture the entire road ahead. The inbuilt GPS records the route history of your trips, allowing you to track and review your journeys later. The Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K is equipped with night vision, and its HDR technology ensures clear video recording even in low light conditions. The rear camera features a 2MP lens that captures full HD videos with a 120-degree field of view. Here's a sample footage captured by the rear dashcam. Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so one can just connect instantly with the Qubo Pro app and access all the video footages easily. The Cubo Pro app can be used to access the event logs and smart events from the dashcam. It can also be used to play and download videos of the trip journey, organize your video gallery. The Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K app offers time-lapse recording, 5-day event access, loop recording to save space, and emergency recording for sudden shakes or collisions. The Qubo Pro app enables continuous recording, ensuring you have all the footages from your trip. Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K is made in India with love, because who needs another Chinese copy when you can have original Desi brilliance? Backed by the legendary Hero Group, delivering trustworthy quality you can count on every time. Qubo also offers seamless pan-India installation and service support. Wherever you are, they've got you covered. Offered at an excellent deal, the Qubo Dashcam Pro 2.7K is the ultimate value for money premium dashcam, featuring both front and rear cameras and an LCD screen. It's the perfect driving companion. Grab yours now using the link in the pinned comment and video description.